As Domino Printing Sciences celebrates its 40th anniversary in 2018, members of our Digital Printing Solutions division are also celebrating special milestones with the business. With 2,700 employees worldwide, the business fully recognises that it is its people who have enabled Domino to be a successful and leading player in the printing industry. Our success is based on our remarkable people and their attitude to work.
I've been happily working for Domino for 20 years now and hope to add quite some years to this. Although when I started in 1998 as the only dedicated digital printing employee at Domino Netherlands, I've never really been alone. Within Domino Netherlands and now Domino Benelux, there are always others whose heart were with digital printing. Together we formed a team that laid the foundation for what Domino Benelux is today. But also in the European Digital Printing Group, project managers and account managers help each other out wherever they can. Together we're a better team. We all know that through teamwork, Domino can reach the best results for our customers. I'm proud to work for Domino and be part of a team that is united and committed in its effort to do more for our customers. At Domino, in everything we do more.